Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use volume up for taking a burst of pictures on your iPhone. So first you need to switch on over a setting. So on the home screen here, let's go to settings and then go back on over to camera. So it's about halfway down. You'll see music, TV, photos, and camera. Select camera and then scroll on down under here. And you'll see like record video and stuff. I have mine set to 4K at 60 frames per second, but in the middle of the screen it says use volume up for burst. So let's select this and turn that on. Now we can go back on over to the camera option and select this. And we're under video and photo now. So we have photo selected. Now all I have to do is select volume up and it should take a bunch of photos. And you can see it just took a bunch of photos down here. So there's my computer, and I have screen mirroring turned on, so it's not showing that. But you can easily take a bunch of photos just doing a burst shot here. So use volume up, and you'll be taking a burst shot. And it makes it a lot easier taking multiple pictures at the same time now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.